10 awesome side hustles to make an extra $1,000 a month. Hey, do you want more money? I think everybody does, right? But did you know that there's 10 things, there's probably more, but I'm going to give you 10 in this video that can earn you $1,000 or more a month as a side hustle, just part-time. You could make more than $1,000 a month. So stick with me. At the end of this video you'll have a list of all 10 of them. You'll understand why they work, and all I ask from you is that you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget, ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live. You see, because if I do a new video or I go live, you won't know unless you turned on your notifications. So that's really important to do. There's also a $97 course below. You can click the link down there, grab the course, no credit card required. Okay, let's jump right on this. Why would you want more money? Well, you want more money so you can pay off your bills. You want more money so you can take a vacation, buy a car, get some clothes, put away some money for savings. There's so many reasons. If you just work your 9 to 5 every day and you take off on the weekends, you're wasting a tremendous amount of time that you could invest in your future, and there's no getting out of it. People think, well, I only want to work 40 hours a week. I don't want to work 45 or 50 hours a week, so I'm just going to work 40 hours a week. But the problem is, if you don't work that extra time, you won't have that extra money, so you've got to work more years to pay for the same stuff. Does that make sense? I think so. So bottom line is, you've got to take some of your spare time and invest it in a side hustle. If you're just working a 9 to 5 job, there's no excuse for you not getting some extra money on the side. Now, the first thing on my list is drop shipping. What is drop shipping? How does that exactly work? Well, drop shipping is where you sell a product that you don't own. No, I know that sounds illegal, right? No, you sell a product because you've made a deal with a manufacturer or a distributor that has the product, and then when you sell the product, you sell it for more than what they are charging you for it, and then they ship it out to the customer. So all you do is really market the product to an audience. Let me put a graphic up on the screen here and kind of show you what that looks like. So as you can see by this graphic here, the customer places an order, and let's say they pay you 200 bucks and they buy it from your store. Now you keep a $50 profit. Let's say your cost was $150 for shipping and everything. You forward the order to the supplier and pay the wholesale cost of $150. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. The customer receives the product and the deal is complete, and you've made 50 bucks on something you didn't even own. Next thing is you start a wholesale business. Now this wholesale business could actually be started right after your drop shipping business. Let's say you find a product that is selling pretty well and the drop shipper is sending it out, but you could buy it in bulk, and instead of $150 you could pay $100 for that product and buy 100 of them. Then you could ship it out yourself and keep an extra $50, and all you'd have to do is worry about the shipping. So if the drop shipper can do it and make a profit selling it to you and shipping it out, you could probably buy it in bulk and become a wholesaler. So that's the second way you could do this. Number 3, become a freelancer. Freelancers make tremendous money when they work hard. You do want to work hard, right? A freelancer just actually does jobs for another business. Maybe it's building a website, maybe it's doing some SEO, maybe it's doing some sales work for them, but you freelance. You go to one of these sites, you go to a Fiverr, you go to Upwork, you go to any one of these sites and you list your services there. Here's another graphic I'll show you where to find freelance jobs. You can go to We Work Remotely, you can go to remote.co, you can go to fiverr.com, you can also go to Craigslist.com, you can go to Upwork.com, and here's a pro tip. Okay, we got it down there on the bottom. Charge based on value, not on time. Remember, you're not selling your time, you're selling your services. Because you can do something that would take somebody else 2 hours and you can do it in 15 minutes doesn't mean you only charge them for 15 minutes. Charge for the job. Next up, become an affiliate marketer. I do affiliate offers to my list every now and then, where I send out an offer of some product that's on ClickBank, and I make money off it. And I don't have to sell the product, I don't have to ship out the product, I don't have to deliver the product, I don't have to do sales pay, I don't even have to write the emails. A lot of these companies, if you do affiliate marketing, and I would advise you to check out ClickBank, but they have complete kits, marketing kits, and you just use the marketing kits and send it out to people and make money. It works pretty darn well. Affiliate marketing on ClickBank, a lot of the offers pay 50% to 90% of the sale price. Number 5, do a print-on-demand store. There are so many companies now that do print on demand. As a matter of fact, on my channel, if you type in print on demand, you're going to find another video. Just go to the search box and type that in. And print on demand is really cool because you can put products up that aren't even made yet. You can put mugs and t-shirts and sweatshirts and blankets and throw rugs, whatever you want, and you can have them customized with sayings on them, and you can sell them. And once you sell them, you send the order to the print on demand company. They actually print up that item and ship it out to the customer. So you never had to buy the product, and you didn't have to carry any inventory. Next thing I'm going to talk about blogging. Everybody hears people making money as a blogger, and they're like, well, nobody will pay me to blog. That's not how it works. Let me put a graphic up real quick and I'll show you how it works. So you write a blog and all these people are coming to your website, and then you add affiliate links to your blog post. Remember a second ago we were talking about affiliate marketing. When people clicked on those links, when they went there and bought something, you got paid. You could also partner with brands to publish sponsored content. In other words, you write a blog but they pay you for it because maybe you're talking about their products. You can add links to your drop shipping store where people come back to your drop shipping store and they buy products from you. You can also create and sell your own products. Okay, that's what I've done. Create and sell your own products. Number 5 there, you could display ads on your blog with Google AdSense, and they actually put ads on your blog. And number 6, you could offer premium content behind an exclusive membership, so you could actually start a membership site. So there's so many things you could do on a blog to make money outside of just write a blog. Number 7, you can sell informational products. They can be ebooks, they can be courses, they can be memberships, and all the things I just listed I've done. And I still do. Okay, I sold courses today and probably sell some more tomorrow. These things, these digital products, are really, really cool because there's no inventory and you can sell it over and over and over again. You can sell it to 1 million people or 10 people or whatever you want. Memberships the same way. I have memberships into courses I have where they has like 20 videos or 100 videos or whatever it is, and they pay for access to those videos. So I can sell that to as many people as I want, and I don't have to do more work because the videos are already there. They're just paying for the access. Number 8, you could become an influencer. Maybe you're on Instagram, maybe you have a YouTube channel. Oh, I've got a YouTube channel. I could do that. I have done that, as a matter of fact. But what you can do is, once you've built up an audience, you can do posts, and posts can vary anywhere from say $50 to $1,000 on Instagram, and on YouTube it can be anywhere from a couple $100 to thousands of dollars. I've been offered thousands of dollars to put up a 20 or 30-second commercial in one of my videos. So it's pretty amazing. If you built up some kind of a following, you can become an influencer. Now let's say you don't want to put in all this effort and figure out a business plan and do all that kind of stuff. You can just be a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are great. You don't get paid a whole lot of money, I will tell you that up front, but all you're doing is tasks that somebody asks you to do. As a virtual assistant, you may be doing research, you may be doing some writing, you may be doing scheduling on appointments, you may be shopping for airline tickets. You're a virtual assistant to somebody who just doesn't have time to do the things they need to get done. And you can do this on a lot of different sites. You can do it on Fiverr, you can do it on Upwork, freelancer.com. Any of these freelance job sites you can go to and you can become a virtual assistant, and you don't need a whole lot of experience to do that, if any at all. Number 10, you can sell your photography. There's so many sites now, stock photo sites, and on these stock photo sites you can put your pictures up there, and as people buy them or they buy memberships to the site, depending on what the site's like, you get paid. Now doing photography and making money on it is really a numbers game. If you're going to put pictures up on a site, the more pictures you have there, the better the chances of you selling your pictures and making money on it. But everybody's got probably a smartphone nowadays, or most people do, and the camera on that smartphone is far better than cameras were 5 or 10 years ago. So you can take some really good pictures and get paid for your photography. So you've got 10 side hustles now. You can do any one of these. You can do a combination of these. Some may turn you on more than others, then go ahead and lean towards those, but you've got the information you need. If you have more questions about these, or you need more information about these, please put it in the comments below. I respond to all my comments. I respond to all my comments. I don't have somebody do it for me. So if you have a question or a comment down there, I will respond to it and I will answer you. I thank you so much for watching this video. I really truly appreciate it. If you would do me one more favor, and that's give me a thumbs up. Click that thumbs up button there. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. Turn on bell notifications. The bell is going to pop up as soon as you subscribe, and when you do that, You'll get notifications. You'll know when I upload a video. You'll know when I go live. It's really helpful. Make sure you do that. Thanks for listening to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.